All right, hello, Facebook Live. You are here
Hey, look, there we are.
for the Geared Up pre-show. We're going to
Yeah.
give a little bit of a preview of what we're going to be talking about on this week's podcast. We got a lot of
Right.
good stuff to
Something
talk
new
about.
we're doing, by the way. Let's
Yeah.
address it.
Yeah.
The pre-show. What is it all about?
Exactly. We're trying to. What's the best way to put it, Andrew? Mixing the audio and the video medium for
At the
radio,
same time.
podcast, and then it created a bit of a cognitive dissonance at
Yeah.
time as we were trying to describe things to the radio audience that
Right.
people on the video could see. So
Right.
we're separating the two, and we're going to have kind of an extended warm up where we talk to the folks on the YouTubes and the Facebooks
Right.
about what
Right.
we're going to be talking about on that week's show, and then you can download the audio or check out the recorded video
full
on
video,
on
yeah.
Andrew's site or on GeekWire. So that's the whole idea
Yes.
that we're going to be doing here. So thanks for joining us out there on Facebook Live and YouTube. How's the Facebook Live? How's the YouTube live stream going?
YouTube, let us know. The people are saying hi and hello.
Okay.
Hello, Clean India, Soul, DXD, Terry Henderson, and Clean India again.
Great. Good
It's an
deal.
interesting username. Clean India. How do we sound, though? Do we look good? Do we sound good? Claire, do I sound all right? I'm not.
You do sound
All right.
Yeah,
Perfect.
okay. Don't forget, if you want to subscribe to get the live video notifications, go to youtube.com/geared up.
Mm-hmm.
Also, if you want to, go to geekwire.com/geared up to subscribe. Go to
Yes.
youtube.com/gear live to get the live video stream. It's right there on the back.
Yeah, there
you
you
can
go.
read it up there. Now, Andrew, what are we going to be talking about on this week's show?
Today, we've got a couple things. First of all, it's the fallout of Amazon Prime Day
The fallout.
2017. The fallout. What went down?
Yep.
Did we survive? What
So-
did we do? What did we buy?
So let's talk a little bit about that. I am
All right.
convinced that this is a fake holiday created just to boost Amazon's sales. And if that's the case, then it actually worked. Their sales were up 60% on this Prime Day over last
Right.
year.
I mean, isn't that their job? I mean, I don't know if it's a holiday, but I mean, it's a sale day. Isn't that their job to, okay, we have to get people buying our stuff? I think it's a brilliant idea.
It
And
is.
The other brilliant idea about Prime Day is that for the majority of the deals, Amazon capitalizes on the fear of missing out, the FOMO. They have a bar that shows how many percentage of people have bought this deal. It's almost over. Like they have a countdown and how many people have bought it. So it's like, I got to get in there. I don't want to not get this weird hat that's shaped like an umbrella, even though you don't need it, never knew you needed it, just because other people are buying it.
So that's the thing. I think at times it causes purchases that you would not otherwise make. I
Sure.
think the smart people, and I think you're probably among these people,
I am.
use this as an opportunity to buy things they were planning to buy anyway and just happen to get at a discount.
That's right.
So you bought around 10 things.
I think so.
on
I just
Prime
pulled
Day?
up my order page here. And
What'd you get?
I bought quite a few things. I'm just gonna run it down. If
Yeah,
you don't
let's
mind.
hear it.
All right,
Let's hear it.
see. I bought the Anchor Rove dash cam. My wife's been talking about the need for a dash cam. You never know. You don't know if you need a dash cam, but when you need one, it's too late to buy one. You know what I mean? If you're in an accident or something crazy happens with the police.
So how much did you pay for that?
So I paid $89.99. It was, I believe, original price $139.99.
Okay.
So pretty good deal right there. I bought myself a $25 Amazon gift card.
Okay. Now, how does this work on Prime
So
Day?
on Prime Day, if you bought a gift card of $25 or more, Amazon would then give you a $5 gift card credit within the next 2 days.
So it's a free $5.
Free $5, exactly, because I'm going to shop on Amazon anyway, right? I asked Alexa to buy me an Echo Dot.
Okay.
So
And the
that-
reason is you got a lower price.
Right, so the Echo Dot was already on sale yesterday for $35.
That's right.
And if you ordered it through Alexa with your voice, you would get an extra $10 off.
Wow.
So
$25 for
a
an
brand new Echo,
Echo
Dot.
Dot. That is a sweet
There
deal.
you go. What's up? I bought 2 sets of cables. So I bought 3 USB-C cables and 3 Apple Lightning cables. You just can never have enough of those around the house or in the car, as well as a quick charge device. So it's basically something you plug in the cables into to charge multiple devices over USB. Each one of those was 20% off the prices. So it was $35, $14, and $16, and it was 20% off those prices.
Okay.
Prime Day. I got a little monitor stand. It was
Did
$13.
you really? Okay, now here's where I get into this. Did you really need that monitor stand?
Yes. So I was actually yesterday or the day before yesterday was thinking I need to get myself like a Yellow Pages or something to put this monitor up on because I'm testing out this
Yellow
monitor and it's not
Pages.
as hot. Yeah, it's like where am I going to get that? And then on Prime Day, this desk stand, Amazon Basics, everything Amazon Basics was 25% off. So I paid $13, got a monitor stand. Now, we're going to talk about this a little later.
Yes.
But as a little precursor, Amazon is now doing a thing where you can hire help around the house, whether it's someone to clean your house or to install things or smart home help. So I got these smart blinds. I'm going to be able to ask Siri and Alexa to control my blinds, basically move them up, move them down, etc. I got them. They were delivered, but I don't know how to install these things. They're huge. It's not me. So I had Amazon, which had a 40% off sale on home services. I paid the full price was $200. I paid $120 to have someone. They're coming out tomorrow to install these blinds. So
and that is a new service. So Amazon has been doing some home services for a while, but the new thing is they're having smart home installers and consultants come out. I think this is a big thing and could be potentially big. It's essentially competing with Best Buy's Geek Squad.
Right. And the thing with Geek Squad is with Amazon, you just go onto the internet, like go to Amazon.com, search for the service you need. So you can literally just search for blinds installation and a price will come up. You put your zip code in. Here's your price. Do you want to buy it? Yes or no? You buy it, you schedule it, and you're done.
And it's roughly $99 for an installation.
Yeah.
Or $10 for more where it's like advice, like how do I connect my smartphone to the Echo.
Right.
So,
but you can do way more than that. Like I said, you can get house cleaners, you can, anything, flooring, anything you buy a contractor for.
we've had people install TVs
From Amazon?
From Amazon.
Nice.
Yes.
That good. Was it good? Service
Yeah.
was good?
Hey, they're still
All
hanging right behind
Good, because I just
We'll
wasn't
see.
sure. All right, then I got into like some of these things aren't exciting. So I think for Prime Day, a lot of people are hoping like the most expensive electronics in the world will be, $5, like something insanely cheap. But like I see it as, like you said earlier, like the things I'm going to buy anyway, I can just get a better deal. So for example, I bought like 3 gallons of laundry detergent. Like that sounds silly, right? 3 gallons, but I paid $13.99. $13.99 for 3 gallons. That's not bad. That's a good deal. Admit it. It's a good deal.
That is a good deal.
It's a great
good deal. It's not the kind of thing that I would think you would get on Prime Day.
Right, but it's like, you know what? I'm scrolling through the deals. Oh, I need this anyway. I wash clothing all the time, and I'm going to continue washing clothing, so let me save some money. I bought 3 huge stacks of printer paper. Okay.
Now, see that's useful.
Right? $10 for 3 huge boxes. 3 boxes.
There you go.
Printer paper. $10.
Okay.
$10.80.
See, now
Come on.
See, it's funny because with this stuff, you're making me get FOMO.
See?
I have the actually maybe it's ROMO, the reluctance about missing out, or I don't know.
So you're not scared.
I've already missed out.
You have missed out.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, so I mean, I bought pillows. Like we needed new pillows anyway. So I think Prime Day for me was a success.
Okay.
Just based on that stuff.
Okay. It sounds like you go in with a much better strategy than a lot of folks.
Right. And people should. I mean, I am a tech guy, and even I go in knowing, it's not going to be all about just great electronics deals. Now there were some, and there were some things that were still expensive that were great deals. For example, you could get an LG OLED TV yesterday, one of the best TVs on the market, for about $3,000. Now the normal price is like $4,500. That's a great deal, but it's still $3,000 out of your pocket, right? So there was a lot of great deals, though.
Okay.
Claire, did you get anything out there, Claire? We're still in the preview, so it's okay.
Claire McGrain is over there running the show behind the scenes.
No, I thought about buying a new phone charger because mine broke and I forgot.
Okay, so Claire was going to buy a new phone charger, and she forgot to. So she missed out also.
Okay. All right.
You got to go into Prime Day with a strategy.
Okay.
It's
almost like
it's like going to war. That's really what it is. There were some deals I wanted. I clicked on them. They were gone. So I'm just saying.
Yes. Okay. All right. Good deal.
So that's Prime Day.
So there's Prime Day, and also we talked a little bit there about the new Amazon consulting service and repair and installation service for electronics. And
so
smart
they
home
are taking
devices.
on Geek Squad, as you said. Now, have you ever used Geek Squad?
I have not.
Okay, me either.
Yeah.
I've never used Geek Squad. I've never been tempted to use Geek Squad.
I haven't either, but I am tempted always because that's one thing about Amazon is they make the online interface so easy. It's your account. You've done it before. They present it to you as you're buying the things. I think there's a lot of advantages that Amazon
and I think
has.
I'm not sure if I'm correct here, but I think if you can't now, you'll soon be able to ask Alexa, like to just walk up, hey Alexa, I need blinds installed. What day are you available?
Right.
Here's the price, and like just set it up using your voice. So that's very cool. And Geek Squad, I just don't have a lot of trust in them for some reason.
All right. Okay. Hey, I want to talk about what Microsoft came out with, the new app.
Today, right?
Just today they released this. They previewed this last year. It's called Seeing AI. It is an artificial intelligence app designed for the visually impaired.
Right, and you can download this right now
And interestingly,
in the App Store.
not for Windows Phone,
Right.
not for Android, not for Windows 10, but for the iPhone.
For the iPhone.
For iOS.
Right.
So I've got it here on my phone, Andrew, and some of the things that this does include scanning text automatically and then reading it aloud to you. So here we're going to go.
So,
into
for example,
yes.
let's make sure people can see this.
See
I'm gonna hold
this.
this up.
Yeah, hold it up right there.
All right.
So it's to the today. It says today, and it's a calendar. So let's see what it does.
Come on, Microsoft.
One face near right edge to 0 faces.
Oop, I got it on the wrong thing.
Short text. Todd, here, today, 8, today.
So it's reading
Today.
it.
It's reading the
It's
calendar. Let me
reading
try that. Let me try that doing it clean again.
Okay.
Percent year, infinity calendar, today.
It read the whole thing.
It read the whole thing.
It
yeah.
read infinity calendar, and it read the word today.
So that's one
Out
of
loud.
the tricks. One
Out
of the
loud.
tricks. It
Okay.
can also it does pretty standard barcode recognition. So this is a product.
Okay.
So essentially, this is made for people who are visually impaired, but it's kind of a preview and a showcase for AI technologies
Yeah,
in general.
yeah. So
here's-
eventually,
yeah. So here's the barcode recognition.
Processing. Expo dry erase surface cleaner 8 ounces spray bottle.
that's exactly
Okay.
what it is.
So pretty standard
That's
product
cool.
recognition. I mean, pretty fast. I would
Yeah,
say
that was quick.
definitely faster. I'd say than even the Amazon app. Okay, now but here's where it gets really interesting.
Okay.
This
What's
is the
happening?
person channel. All right, you ready?
The person channel.
One face near top right 2 feet away.
Okay.
One face near center 3 feet away.
So I am about 2 feet away.
Processing.
Uh-oh.
41-year-old man with a beard looking neutral.
Okay, it said
It said
41.
I'm 41 years old.
41-year-old man with a beard looking neutral. So there's 3 things there.
Okay.
Actually there's 4 things there.
Okay.
It identified your age, which
Yeah.
was incorrect or correct?
Incorrect. I
Yeah.
am not 41 years old.
How old are you?
36.
36.
Come on.
It identified your gender correctly.
Right.
It noticed a characteristic of your face. You have a beard. Looking neutral. So it noticed your emotion as well. So
Okay.
4 different things just from that one picture, almost instantaneously. Here, do you want to try it with me?
Yeah, I want to try it with you.
Okay.
Let's see how old it says you are.
Faces.
Tell me I'm 41 years old.
One face near top left 2 feet away.
Okay.
One face processing. 41-year-old man with a beard wearing glasses looking happy.
41-year-old man with a beard wearing glasses looking happy. So it thinks we're the same age. Come on.
So I am
Come on.
actually, I was born, how old am I? I am.
He doesn't even know his age.
I'm 44, I think. 43
Wow.
or 44.
Wow.
So I'm not 41. And so it's totally off on the ages.
Terrible. Terrible.
That said,
It's because of the beard. I told this guy, what do you guys think out there, by the way? Todd is growing his vacation beard out right now. I told him it makes him look younger. He should keep it.
yeah. Well, let's see.
Microsoft
Let's
agrees.
see. Let's see if the face.
All we
the,
got so
YouTube-
far is an LOL.
Okay, so that's it. So features that are coming to this app. Let me
Okay.
turn this off.
What are they going to do with this?
Features that include a currency recognizer, which, if you're visually impaired, if you're blind, and you're paying for something,
That's nice.
People use tricks like they fold the currency in different
Oh,
ways.
man, okay.
But you still have to know originally what the currency
Right.
is if you're going to use it, so it can recognize and distinguish between a $5 bill, a $1 bill, a $20 bill,
Okay.
a $100 bill. And that's not in the app yet. It's coming soon. But at any rate, this is an interesting app from Microsoft that I think has kind of a preview of where
Yeah.
they could take some of these things. You
Yeah.
can imagine how this kind of way of interacting with the world could
Absolutely,
could
absolutely.
come to the fore.
Especially once, again, in the future, it's not relegated to your smartphone anymore. And it's just something maybe built into glasses or something like that. So it becomes your second pair of eyes.
There's also a scene beta.
Scene beta.
Sitting at a table using a laptop computer.
See?
What?
Yeah. Yeah. So it
So if you didn't hear it,
recognizes
it
what's
said
in-
there's a person sitting at a table using a laptop computer, which is Claire right over here
Yep.
managing the show.
yeah, with a pouty face.
So it
did
didn't
not
say it was
say
a woman
no.
who was sad.
Let's see. Let's try that again.
One face near top edge 5 feet away.
And so see what it's doing is
Near
s-
center 5 feet
keep in mind if you're blind, you're not going to see where it's positioned.
Oh, sure.
So it's saying positioned.
It's constantly giving you a positional update.
near center 5 feet. Processing. 30-year-old woman with black hair wearing glasses looking angry.
Oh! Oh! It
30-year-old
said she was
woman
mad.
with black hair, wearing glasses, looking angry.
Wow. Wow. It needs
All
more
right.
work.
All right.
You don't want to tell women they look angry. You're not looking angry.
All right, so that's a little bit of a sneak preview of a couple of the topics we're going to be
Yes.
talking about on the Geared Up podcast and video this week.
Right.
So for people who want to subscribe, you can go to youtube.com/gearlive for the video. You can also go to geekwire.com/gearedup to subscribe to the audio podcast.
Yes. And
We
the
also-
full episode will be up in a few days.
That's right. And it also airs on the weekends on Cairo Radio 97.3 FM in the Seattle region at 8 p.m. on Saturdays and 1 p.m. on Sundays.
There you go.
All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Talk to you later.